In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your WordPress site. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or an online store, having your own custom domain is key to creating a polished and trustworthy online presence. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from accessing your Namecheap account to finalizing the connection on WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain fully linked and ready to go. So let's get started. First, we need to access your Namecheap account. Open your browser and head over to the Namecheap website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Account button located in the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will take you to the login screen, where you'll need to enter your username and password. Make sure to use the correct credentials here to avoid any login errors. If this is your first time logging into Namecheap, remember to check your email for any welcome messages that might contain additional instructions. Once your information is entered, click the Sign In and Continue button. This will bring you to your Namecheap dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your domains and other services you've purchased. Next, let's locate the domain you want to connect to your WordPress site. In the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Scroll through this list and find the specific domain you want to use. Once you've located it, click on the domain name to open its details page. Now highlight and copy your domain name exactly as it appears. This step is important because you'll need the precise domain name for the setup process in WordPress. Now let's switch over to your WordPress account. Open a new browser tab and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, log into your WordPress account using your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, ready to begin the connection process. To connect your domain in WordPress, look for a prominent banner on the left-hand side of the dashboard that says Free Domain with an Annual Plan. Underneath that, you'll see an option to use your domain as your site's address. Scroll down and find the link that allows you to do this. Then click on it. When prompted, paste the domain name you copied earlier from Namecheap into the provided field. Once that's done, click Continue to move forward. At this point, WordPress will ask you to confirm that you want to connect this domain. Click Select to confirm, and then hit Start Setting Up to begin the setup process. Now, we need to return to your Namecheap account to obtain the authorization code required to complete the connection. Go back to the Namecheap dashboard and navigate to the domain settings page. For the domain you're connecting here, you'll find the authorization code. It's usually listed under a section specifically related to domain transfers. Copy this code carefully, as it's essential for authorizing the connection with WordPress. With the authorization code copied, go back to your WordPress setup. Paste the code into the required field provided by WordPress. This step is critical because the authorization code verifies that you own the domain and gives permission for it to be connected. Be sure to double-check the code and make sure there are no typos or errors. When you're ready, click Check Readiness for Transfer. This step allows WordPress to perform a final check to ensure everything is properly configured for the domain transfer. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your WordPress site. This process ensures that your website is fully set up with your own custom domain, giving it a professional and personalized touch. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't forget to revisit these steps or consult support resources for additional help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.